Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the AAAAAcessories Accessories outdoor deep seat cushions designed for ultimate comfort and durability. These cushions measure 24 by 24 by 5 inches and come in a stylish shadow gray color that complements any outdoor furniture. They feature waterproof, fade-resistant polyester covers with UV protection to withstand the elements. The thick, high-resilience foam inside quickly regains its shape for lasting comfort and pressure relief. Non-slip ties keep the cushions securely in place, while the piped edges add a touch of sophistication. Perfect for patios, decks, and balconies, these cushions are easy to clean thanks to their removable zippered covers. Whether for love seats or chairs, they provide both style and support for your outdoor relaxation. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.